What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. What up, Wilson? What up, Swirls? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. And what up, Low Roller? What's up, dude? Thanks, everyone, for being here. Okay. So today is Thursday, June 23rd, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. You got Voyager news today? No, I don't. Do you have Voyager news? You can link it, dude. And I did see on Discord you guys were talking about Mullen, which we're not going to do today. Honorable mention, because it did go down like 10% or something. Didn't really have... It did make top 10 on StockTwits, but didn't really have too many indicators to go off of. So we're not going to do Mullen today, but I did see you guys talk about it, saying there was one delivery. I don't know, there's like conflicting news, right? One person said, well, like 15,000 deliveries, and another source said one delivery, and the actual company isn't commenting and verifying, or I don't know. It's a whole mess right now. But yeah, honorable mention, Mullen. Not going to do it today. But more Mullen drama. More of the same. Yep, one van per PR today. I didn't look at any PR. Let me see if there's any Mullen news. Was supposed to be 29,000. Oh my god. Well, maybe the 29,000 is still in negotiation. You know, maybe it's the Fortune 500 company. I do see a I do see PR here, but I'm not gonna read the whole thing. I'll check it out later. But yeah, you know. Apparently, they also filed over 130 patents in 24 countries. Interesting. Yeah, so more Mullen drama going on. Not sure what's going on, but it's going down a lot today. So honorable mention, not going to talk about it today, but yeah, and there's one more day until the Russell editions. So we'll see where this ends up Monday morning. Okay. So today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown. Yes, much needed. Second day in the green here. No. Yesterday was Ramenistan. Yesterday was green, and then everything went red. So, yeah, much needed. Everything in the green here. I think crypto's in the green as well. Nothing too crazy, but slightly in the green. Tech, especially. So I will take these small victories where you can get them. And, yeah, not convinced this is anywhere near the bottom. But, pretty good day today. Pretty boring day, actually. Pretty boring day. But not complaining at all. Everything in the green here, so I'll take it. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. And I got a great show for you guys today. Not much to talk about, honestly. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today I got 3 articles for you guys. And it looks like Low Roller has a bunch, though. But yeah, I got an article about Solana. And they're coming out with a phone. I got an article about Coinbase Pro. And one about Canada and KuCoin. So all crypto news today. For the TA, we're just going to go over REV Revlon, which we discussed yesterday, but still the hottest stock, major price action, so we'll get back to that. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And honestly, I don't have too many Yolos. Reddit was acting up earlier, so I couldn't really scroll past a certain point, but I pulled out the best ones I could, and I guess we could just wing that when we get to that point, or you guys can link me some Yolos you guys want me to look at. But yeah, I got a few, but YOLO shouldn't take too long. We could wing it, but yeah, Reddit was acting up, so I really don't have too many. So 3 articles, 1 TA, not too many YOLOs. Let's aim for hour and a half today. Should be about hour and a half. Usually when there's 1 TA, it's hour and a half. 2 TAs, it's closer to 2 hours. So, yeah, not so much to go over today. We'll aim for an hour and a half. That is, unless you guys come in and chat, which I always welcome. Always willing to kick it with you guys. Always pleasure. But yeah, 10D Town today. Should be a short show. Straightforward, simple. So let's get started, guys. Let's do it. Do you think Bitcoin will rebound by end of year? Well, it's hard to say, I think it'll definitely bottom. I don't know if it's gonna rebound to what price. I don't expect. And maybe I'm being biased, but I do have 50K strikes. I sold calls on Bitcoin, covered calls, so I don't want it to go past 50K. Hopefully it finishes right under 50K, but yeah, Delta was like 15, not even, like, less than that, like 10%. So, according to these fancy algorithms, FTX thinks that there's a 10% chance Bitcoin goes back up to 50K. So pretty unlikely. So to answer your question, and this is just my opinion, not financial advice, I think it's going to bottom out. As for rebounding, highly doubt that. Highly doubt that. I think it'll recover, but not, to all-time highs. Not anywhere close to that. It's probably going to be a year or two before we see, Bitcoin at 50K again. We'll see, though. Hopefully sooner. And what up, Zach? What's up? Why does it feel like a go for tomorrow? Well, probably because it is. Friday is usually a red day. Not all the time. But Friday, usually traders, professionals don't want to hold over the, especially the shorts don't want to hold. Well, the long and the shorts don't want to hold over the weekend. So they just cut everything and move on from there. So we'll see. But yeah, I think tomorrow's going to be red. Tomorrow's going to be go. Highly likely. Is it quad witching tomorrow? Yeah, I think so. It's either the triple witching or is it quad witching? I think it's quad. So, yeah, we're going to see a good amount of price action after the market close tomorrow. And it officially ends on Monday in the pre-market. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, expect a lot of rebalancing in portfolios. Market makers ruining options tomorrow? Yeah, they always do every Friday. Not all the time, just every freaking time I'm long on something. Well, I got you. Where is it? Where's the meme? Oh, I don't have it on this. I was gonna give you the Bogdanov, but I don't have the Bogdanov on this scene here, so we gotta switch scenes. All right, so yeah, let's do it. And before we begin, guys, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Yes, please smash that like button, guys. We're getting a lot of likes. Every single live stream now, we're averaging like 15 to 20 likes. At least 15. I think yesterday we got like 18. So, yeah, community is growing every single day. So appreciate everyone. You don't have to donate or anything. All I ask is you smash the like button. All right, let's do it, guys. All right, got you, Zach. Be bought. Dump it. Yep. Market makers are conspiring. They know what you're up to. But your sacrifice is appreciated. No, I feel you, dude. It never fails. It never fails. Can Kyrie Irving going with Lakers by signing his minimum contract? They still keep Westbrook. They just created super drama team in NBA. Yeah, I did look up some NBA talk yesterday, and yeah, there's a lot of news about Westbrook and Kyrie Irving. Yeah, that's probably in the end, Westbrook is going to stay a Laker. He's not going to give up like 40, I think he's making like $40 million this year, something insane, like 47 million. He's not going to give that up. And Kyrie, nobody wants him, so he has to prove his value again. They're not going anywhere. I highly doubt it. So I guess he can sign the minimum, but he's not going to. You know, why would he do that? They're both going to opt into the deals. Anyway, enough rambling, guys. And what up, Beelzebub? What's up? See, everyone who came in a little late here, what's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, and smash that like button. Please and thank you. Glad I own 1 share of Amazon. Alright, dude. Was that pre-split or post-split? Yeah, you know, Amazon's going to the moon. Not financial advice. No, Amazon's not going anywhere. That's a long-term hold for sure. So now's a good time to buy the dip, in my opinion, on Amazon and many other companies. Right? Buy the effing dip. I watched Kroger Guy video, received $70 donation. He said he will he is buying bikes at pawn shop. He will walk from his work. Why doesn't he bike from work? Okay. He got $70? Really? That's pretty good donations. Interesting. On what? PayPal? Cash App? Alright, good for him. Shout out to him. Hopefully we get some donations here pretty soon. Okay. Almost there. Almost at 1,000. Alright, let's do it, guys. Start on the red side. Yeah, we'll start on the red side. Alright. So the Dow Jones. Let me fix this one. Alright. So the Dow Jones finishes up 0.64%. NASDAQ up 1.47%. And the S&P up 0.95%. Let's go. So pretty good day here. Not like a super crazy amount of price action, but all in the green. I will take it. VIX is up 0.35%, up 0.1 points. Doesn't really make too much sense. Should have gone down, but should have went up yesterday. But it went down yesterday and up today, but hey, whatever. Not that big of a move. VIX is at 29 now. So still not great, but slowly creeping back in the right direction. But hopefully we can get that below 20 very soon. All right, we'll start on the red side here. So AERC pulling back another 20%. Damn. Yeah, that stock has been pulling back pretty hard. XELA, honorable mention. I think that made StockTwits. Down 12%. Mullen, which we won't discuss today, but that's down 9%. A lot of memes here. HYMC, BitNile, CEI, INDO, HUSA. Looks like oil's down. IMPP. Yeah, Chevron, Exxon, so BP, all of oil is down. AMC down, honorable mention, 4%. Then we got Redbox, honorable mention. Looks like financials are down. Got TD, Bank of America, Airlines, Cruises down today. Wells Fargo is down. JetBlue, Delta Airlines, American Express down. AMD, Delta, Hilton, JP Morgan, Nvidia. AMD and Nvidia are down. Interesting. The tech went up today. Okay. Yeah, Schwab is down. Gold, silver, Morgan Stanley, Tesla. So pretty much financials, memes, travel, and gas. Oil and gas. Energy is down today. So not too bad, not too bad. Apes didn't do too good, though. I guess the apes did okay. But yeah, mostly, only things in the red here are really financials on the value side. Everything else is growth. And on the green side, a lot of green here. Not going to spend too much time. I wish pre-split. I bought post-split for 102 last week. Yeah, dude, good price. So, you know, just accumulate when you can. Diamond hands, that's a long-term hold for sure. He used to walk from work. Now he's going to ride bike from work. He's getting more donations by you. It doesn't make sense. No, it doesn't make sense. I don't know. But it's alright. You know, whatever. It is what it is. Alright, on the green side here. So we got Novavax, 14%. Ride, 14%. Coinbase, 14%. So big gains here. Wayfair, 13%. Affirm. Chewy. Tilray went up a lot. Wow. Tilray, 11.5%. What happened there? Wonder. Square, 11%. Roblox up a lot, 11%. MicroStrategy. So crypto looks like it's going up a lot today. Except for BitNile. Bed Bath & Beyond, 8.5%. DoorDash, Bumble. Yeah, it looks like 420 is doing pretty good today. Wish, Peloton, a lot of memes. Riot, Oxygen. China's up. Li Auto, Neo, Alibaba, Xpeng, Snapchat, Robinhood, BBIG. A lot of memes here. It actually looks like the apes did do pretty good today. Depends which stocks are in. Sundial's up. Moderna, Palantir, DraftKings, Clover, Marathon, Target, big day, 4%. Meme Index, 4%. Costco, SoFi, Amazon did really good, 320 or 3.2. Nike, GME, Starbucks, everything. Verizon, Microsoft. Yeah, we got Google, Ford, Disney, McDonald's. So, yeah, looks like a lot of green today. Growth and value did pretty good today. So, yeah, it looks like everything is up except for a few select memes, financials, and oil mostly. So, yeah, pretty good day today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Thoughts on Lee? This thing is literally on the moon now. Lee? Well, it's, I like Neo better, but... Is it... Wow, it's holding up pretty good. I didn't even check. It's been going up. Wow. What happened in the past month? This is crazy. Month and a half. I haven't been paying attention. This thing's been mooning. Wow. So maybe I should have gone with Lee instead of Neo. Yeah, this thing is doing pretty good. Well, it looks bearish now, but I didn't even realize it was doing so well in the past month and a half. No idea why, but there's a lot of gaps. You know, RSI's at 83 now, yearly high, almost the all-time high. So, yeah, it looks pretty bearish to me. Probably coming back to 2650. Yeah, I know this was doing so well. I wonder why, too. Xpeng's not doing that good. It has been coming back, though. And Neo as well. Has been coming back. But Lee's holding up really well. I didn't even know. Looks bearish, though, in my opinion. I would look to short pretty soon. And look to take profits. Crazy run despite the gut in SPY. On Lee? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Are you watching NBA Draft tonight? Yeah, I'm not going to watch the whole thing, you know, but I'll watch the beginning. And I'll watch who the Knicks get. Yeah, I forgot that was tonight. Saw that earlier. I tried to short it today, but we'll never let it overnight. So I believe I'll catch the fall eventually. Alright, well, yeah, shout out to you, Zach. Like I said, I didn't even see how hard this is running. This is holding up really well. And it looks like a pretty good short right now. So, good luck to you, dude. Good luck to you, dude. Alright, let's get to crypto. CoinMarketCap got rid of the top gainers in the page. Yeah, I saw that. They got rid of top gainers and they replaced it with their tweets. Their knockoff version of tweets, their own CoinMarketCap Twitter thing they got going on. 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100 All right, let's get to crypto, guys. 1 second. Let me pull it up and let me check YouTube. We're at 4 viewers, 6 likes. So, kind of a slow show today, huh? That's all right. Appreciate everyone who's here. Where is it?
I appreciate you. I appreciate you.
Didn't mean to double take that one. Okay. So yeah, Thursday is usually is one of the slower days. So hopefully more people come in later. Good amount of people come in, you know, halfway and later in the show. We'll see though. We'll get done real early if no one's chatting. That's alright. Okay. Here's the top gainer and loser. Alright. So crypto is up 3.16% today. Let's go. So pretty good day here in crypto. Let's check it out. So trending, we got Celsius, Terra, and Bitcoin. Those have been trending pretty much every day the past few days. Recently added Quack Inu, so it's a duck. Moonwell Artemis, don't know what that is, but also sounds like a meme. And Joystick Games. Alright.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
Let's see here. Top gainers. Metaverse Pay. That's a new one. That was MetaPay. Now there's Metaverse Pay. Corgi Doge. Okay. Dingo Token. Elon Hype. Yeah. There's Chicken. Chicken KFC. That's a new one. Pepe Coin. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Who would buy this? Chicken KFC. Alright. Alright, let's check out the crypto here. So Bitcoin's up 4%, pushing 21K again. Very nice. ETH up almost 6%, over 1100. Binance 6%. XRP 2.7, Cardano 2, Solana 9. Doge 2.3. Pretty much everything's up here. Tron is down a little bit. Shiba's up. Polygon, big gain, 18%. Avalanche, 9%. Litecoin, FTX. Litecoin 7, FTX 2. Chronos 5. Bitcoin Cash, Monero, Ether. Everything's pretty much in the green. ApeCoin, 8%. Big day there. Yeah, let's sort this out. KuCoin's down a little. Don't see too much in the red, though. There's meningococcal outbreak in Florida and polio in UK. Really, polio? I thought we got rid of polio. I heard there was also the bubonic plague. That's still a thing now. So I don't think those are like pandemics or anything. But pretty scary stuff. Stay safe, guys. What happened with monkeypox? Is that still a thing too? If y'all have 80 to 120K, what brand new car would y'all buy? Probably Model S Plaid or Tesla Roadster or Corvette. Corvette's more than that though, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna say the newest Mustang, not the electric one. Those are kind of bad. Newest Mustang, Corvette, or Model S Plaid, or Tesla Roadster. I'm gonna go with those. F-150 Lightning. That's a good one too. I would get the electric Mustang if it wasn't an SUV now. But maybe they'll work on that and they can get it back to a coupe. The F-150, I think that's the one Biden drove. This is what I think of every time I think of the F-150. Or maybe it was the Silverado. But they interviewed Biden, like, what do you think? He was driving it around. He's like, this sucker's fast. And then they're asking him about Israel. And you know, I don't want to get flagged, but they're like, what do you think about Israel? This sucker's fast. And he just drove off. I'm getting off topic now. What up, Jana? What's up? Tell me HYMC, please. Sure, let me just, let's finish up with the crypto and the articles first. And then we'll take a look at HYMC. So thanks for being here. Stick around a little bit longer, and we'll get to that. And please smash the like button. That's all I ask. It makes me wish I invested in Moderna. My friend invested in Moderna at like 38 in August 2020 and sold out for 70 a little later. Yeah, you know, in hindsight, we all should have invested in Moderna and Pfizer. Or BioNTech. I did manage to catch Moderna. When it sold off, I bought it, I think I bought it in at like 250, and I rode it back to 350, and now it's back down to in the 100s. So I did swing trade that, but yeah, Moderna would have been a really, really good investment. Not anymore though. But you know, we all could have said we all could have, would have, should have. I think Porsche. That's true. Porsche 911. Those are really nice cars. Just a lot to maintain. But very, very nice cars. Alright, yeah, on the green. So let's look at crypto here. So, yeah, most of the coins in the green here. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's like 7 coins in the red here. So I would say 95% of the coins in the green. 5 in the red. And there's a good amount of price action here. Looks like growth and value. Biggest gainer, Storage. Storage, 20%. Polygon, 17%. Biggest value gainer there. Then Avalanche and Solana. Uniswap, Litecoin. So there's a good amount of growth and value on the green side. So really good day for crypto. Red side, yeah, not so many coins in the red. Biggest loser, XDC. 2%, that's it. So yeah, really, really good day for crypto. You know, hopefully it's not a fluke and we keep on going up from here. But yeah, I will definitely take it. So, good day in the stock market, good day in crypto. Fat tendies today. Hope you guys made some tendies. All right, let's get to some articles. 1 second here. Let me pull up my stuff, and looks like Low Roller has some stuff for us. Yeah, looks like Low Roller has a few articles for us. Alright, I think I got it all. Alright, still loading here, but I think we'll get started. Alright. Alright guys, so today I have 3 articles here myself. One about Solana, one about Coinbase, and one about KuCoin. And then we got a few more articles from Low Roller. So let's do it. So we'll start with Solana. Solana Labs launches mobile platform, reveals Android smartphone. The Solana mobile stack will enable more mobile Web3 apps, plus Solana Labs will launch its own smartphone in early 2023. So this is the Saga. Solana Saga. Not really sure why you need your own phone for this, but okay. But yeah, they're just building more software, and now they're launching a phone, which will be an Android phone, the Saga. So it says the Saga will include the mobile wallet adapter, and that's about it. And there's Solana Pay. Like Google Pay, there's Solana Pay. And Apple Pay, Solana Pay. Interesting. I don't think it's going to be that popular. But yeah, Solana's going to have their own phone. So pretty cool stuff. Next article, Coinbase to launch advanced trade as a replacement for Coinbase Pro. Coinbase is actively integrating features into advanced trade as it prepares to phase out Coinbase Pro later this year. So yeah, short article here. But yeah, Coinbase Pro is no longer going to be a thing. Nobody should be using Coinbase, by the way. You should always be using Coinbase Pro because the fees are a lot less. And now Binance is getting very competitive with their no fees. But yeah, Coinbase Pro not going to be a thing anymore. It's going to be advanced trade now, which I think it's going to be the same thing, but just easier to navigate. So no more Coinbase Pro. Our next one, Bybit and KuCoin penalized by Canadian regulator. So financial penalties have been brought against the two crypto exchanges on charges of securities law violation and unregistered operations. Yeah, so I think Bybit's also Korean. I know KuCoin's Korean, but yeah, KuCoin's been Canada has been trying to get them to shut down for a while. So it looks like Bybit did cooperate, paid some fines, and they're still allowed to operate. But KuCoin has been ignoring Canada, and now they got permabanned. So no more KuCoin in Canada. Maybe you can still use a VPN, but I wouldn't trust it. So yeah, no more KuCoin in Canada. Bybit's still there. Voyager Digital cuts daily withdrawal limit to 10K. Yeah, I did see something like this. Yes, I think it was 25K, and now it's 10K. So huge red flag. You know, I hope everything is okay. But yeah, it looks like Voyager could be in trouble here. They got liquidity issues. Here's the price. There's their stock, 56 cents. So we already went over this Solana phone. How much is it? I have no idea. Does it say? Probably a couple $100. Nope, it's $1,000. $1,000. I thought it would be a couple hundred. It is $1,000. So I don't know why you'd buy the Solana phone over, you know, Galaxy or Google Pixel or iPhone or anything like that. Cool idea though. Not gonna get much success, I don't think though. But yeah, it's $1,000, $100 deposit. Yeah, I saw this. Cristiano Ronaldo to get football fans into Web3 with Binance partnership. Yeah, so Ronaldo and Binance have NFT partnership now. Kind of like how Brady and DraftKings does. So, not saying it's a good investment. But, yeah, cool for Ronaldo and Binance. And yeah, we just went over this on Bybit and Ontario. When I'm 90 years old and another pandemic starts I'm buying pharmaceutical stocks. Well, you know, yeah, you can hit it big with these growth stocks, but or you can just buy and hold Pfizer, you know. Pfizer's not going anywhere. They're not just making vaccines. They got, you know, drugs for everything. So, yeah, for sure, when another pandemic comes, you can load up on some growth stocks, or you can just buy and hold Pfizer. That's another way to play it. Or some of these other pharmaceutical companies. Regeneron, I think, is another blue chip one. Yeah, good playing, dude. It's gonna be a while. So next time you know, if we're not deleted yet. Solana phone wouldn't work if if Solana crashed all the time. That is true. Solana does crash all the time, so that's gonna be an issue. That's not a phone issue. That's more of a software issue, which they said they're gonna fix as well. Snapchat is coming out with Snap Plus, which sounds like the Snapchat version of YouTube Premium. Yeah, but YouTube Premium, you can watch, like, TV without ads. Am I not mistaken? Wonder how that's going to be. Snap Plus. I don't think that's going to do too well, but okay. We'll see how it goes. I think Snap also has some glasses now. It's called like the Spectacles or something, if I'm not mistaken. Or was it Facebook? I think they both have. I think Facebook partnered with Ray-Ban to make their own recording glasses. I was going to get them, but you can only record for like 30 seconds. And Snapchat, I think, has their own glasses too. So I think all these companies are moving into... That's the new thing. Glasses or cameras on your glasses. Kind of like the next version of Google Glass. The next generation. Voyager didn't tell their users withdraw. Well, they wouldn't want you to withdraw. But yeah, that's they got some liquidity issues. They got to figure that out. Solana phone is more expensive than iPhone. Is it? I thought iPhone was $1,000. Around the same price. Yeah, I don't know who's buying Solana phone. Voyager stock used to be $15. Now it is down 95%. Look at Voyager chart. 1 year. I X'd it out, but yeah, 56 cents now from $15. Go. What's up, Machete?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, as always. Why is Solana phone more expensive than iPhone? I don't know. It's about the same price. Yeah, there should be no way it should be $1,000, though. I don't know who's paying for that. Who's still using Snapchat? I think a few people do. I certainly don't. I'm not even on social media anymore. But Snapchat, I did used to use. I used to have Instagram and Snapchat. Now I don't. Yeah, I don't really... I should make a TikTok. I think that'll get pretty popular. Help put some subs. But I only got Facebook now for messaging. That's it. TikTok's the new thing. And Twitter. Alright, so that's all the articles for today, guys. Good stuff. Let's get on to some TA here. And let me check YouTube real quick. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Appreciate you. We're at 11 viewers, 8 likes. So a lot of people in here right now. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Alright, what are we looking at? So... HYMC for Jana, and then... Revlon. TikTok owned by Chinese communists? Are they still? I don't think they are anymore. That was the thing, and then they're supposed to get sold off to Microsoft, and I don't think that's an issue anymore. But yeah, in the beginning, there was a lot of concerns that TikTok was owned by the Chinese. Still might be, I don't know. Here to stay, though. Okay, HYMC. Hope you're still here, Jana. So this looks... I could draw a few more, but no time right now. But looks like this is catching some strong support, bottoming out at around 120. RSI is at 44, so a little bit below average. Yeah, so it looks like 120 and like 115, 113. Pretty strong support there. If this breaks 113, it can go pretty bad. Wish I could draw more right now, but yeah, so it looks like it's starting to bottom out, and it's cup and handling here, so hopefully it reverses soon, but there's also this gap at 40 cents, so just be aware of that. It may come back down all the way to 40 cents. I wouldn't be too worried, though, unless this breaks. Yeah, if this breaks 115-ish, then I'd really start to worry. But right now, it looks like it's holding up pretty well, and might reverse pretty soon. So it's not a bad entry right here. 120, 125. May go down a little bit more, but it looks like it's holding pretty well. So, yeah, I just hold right now if you're in. I think it's pretty decent entry. I can't support going long here. Only thing that has me sketched out is the gap at 40. So it can't come back down to 40. Yeah, other than that, I would say it looks like a pretty good buy and hold to me right now. Just be, just be ready to average down. See, it looks pretty good to me right now. Hopefully it doesn't come back to 40. Hope that answers your question, Jenna. And all right, let's get... Oh, it's going up. Interesting. And let's get to Revlon here today. Okay. Yeah, so only one we're going to do Revlon. That's it. So this shouldn't take too long. There's not too many indicators here. Going to be more or less the same from yesterday. All right. Cool. Let's do it. Gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started here. What time is it? We're doing pretty good on time. It's only 4:45 and we're already on the TA here, and there's not so many Yolos, so maybe we'll get done. We should be done by 5:30, maybe earlier. But yeah, there's only TA is this, and then the Yolos, which we're gonna wing for the most part. So yeah, we're doing really good on time here. So short today. They mine gold. That's pretty cool. It is pretty cool. I don't know why they're mining. Well, I know why they're mining gold. I don't know why AMC took a stake in it. That was pretty weird to me, but hey, they see value. They see deep value, so hope it works out. I remember when they acquired HYMC. Everyone's like, what the hell? What does that have to do with anything? But the man has a vision. The man has a plan. Adam Aaron, the CEO. So apes trust in him. And of course, here comes the siren. First siren of the day. So we're going to wait for this to pass, then we'll get started. Never fails, though. Always when there's something important, then it has to come by. Alright. Cool, let's get started here. So here is REV Revlon. This finishes at $7.20 today. That is down 11.55%.
And it's gone.
So we've been covering this stock for the past week. It's been squeezing pretty hard, all the way from the $1 range to almost 10 yesterday. Crazy series of events to get to this point. They declared bankruptcy, and then there were rumors they were going to get acquired by private equity. And then they got a loan for $375 million. So, and yeah, for whatever reason, the market found all those events to be bullish, and it's been squeezing for the past few sessions here. So I did predict 2 days ago that this would squeeze past 9. That happened. I was right on that prediction. I said to go short at 9, and this should pull back down to at least 7 to fill the gap. And that happened as well. And yeah, now today we're starting to get some pretty big pullback. And yeah, I've been saying that it looks like the squeeze is almost over. And today it does appear like the squeeze is, and it does appear like today the momentum is cooling off very significantly, and the squeeze should be coming to an end very soon. So no company specific. So this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Once again, I believe it was number 2, had about 6,000 mentions after SPY. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So really no company specific news to justify this price action today. Again, it just seems like the squeeze is finally winding down, coming to an end. People taking profits and shorts coming in. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 110, and there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 995. 1065, 1140, 1190, 1390, 1570, 1635, or even the high of 1765. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We do have a bull flag developing here. Here's the flag pole. And now the flag is developing. So we are starting to get confirmation on the bull flag, and that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may break out to the upside. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to 740, so that is a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will run to the upside. Yesterday, this did have a gap up at $7. I predicted that the stock would come back down to 7 to fill the gap. I didn't think it would happen in one day, but here we are. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So I guess we'll go to 10 and 4. Sure. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 735 and 705. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 735, 770, 790, 805, 825, 840, 860, 880, $9, 915, 930, 955, 975, 995, and then 1020. There is resistance above 1020, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 705, 660, 625, 595, 575, 550, 525, 490, 460, 435, 410, 390, 360, 310. I guess I'll finish up. 265, 190, 155, and then the low of 110. So right now with the current price, 720, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if slash when this breaks 770, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if slash when this breaks 770. RSI is currently at 64, so no longer in overbought and overvalued territory, but still pretty high up there, still above average. So be careful, guys. According to the RSI, the current price of 720 is above fair market value. Should be a little bit lower. And this did 40 million in volume today, way above the average of 2 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And this is a very significant pullback in volume from the past few days. So it does appear like the momentum is slowing down and the squeeze is coming to an end. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Zach says Rev tanking, and Beelzebub says he thinks Rev is going to continue to fall. Yeah, I think so too. But we'll get to that right now. Eric Petronis. What's up, dude? I don't think I've seen you here before, so welcome to the show and the community. Rev gonna drop a bit, then recover a bit, then tank. I'm out, made it 800. All right, congrats to you, Eric. Okay. So I've been saying for the past week, that the stock will have to come down at some point. As with all short squeezes, just a matter of when, not if. Honestly, I didn't think it would hit $10. Well, yesterday, I did say that I think it's time to short. Looks like the short squeeze is coming to an end. And so far, today, that appears to be the case. That being said, we are still getting a lot more bullish indicators than bearish indicators here. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, aftermarket action. And we have a bearish indicator in the high RSI. No neutral indicators. So overall, according to the TA, the chart does appear to be still bullish. But personally, I think the stock was way overdue for a pullback. Looks like the cup topped out and is pulling back to form the handle. So it looks more bearish to me. I think it's going to pull back a bit more before it reverses and goes to the upside again. So therefore, if he wants to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that just yet, at least. I think it's a bit too late to go long here. You missed a lot of upside already. This went up about 900. This went up about 900% in a week, and I don't really think you can expect too much more. So I think going long at the current price, 720, would be kind of FOMO at this point, and good chance you get burned. I said yesterday that this should pull back to at least 7 to fill the gap, and probably that happened today. And I said it would probably come back closer to 550 to form the handle, because 550 is halfway between 10 and 1, the top and bottoms of the cup here. So I do think there is still a bit more downside to go. So I don't like the entry of 720 on the long side. 720 would be a below average entry on the long side. I would set the buy orders and try to get this back at 550 and lower. And I think that would be a pretty good entry. Anything below 550. So I can't support going along at 550 and lower, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And if you can get this back at 550, I would say that would be a, well, so at the current price 720, I would say going long would be a probably be a medium risk. I would say going along at the current price, 720 would be a high risk, medium reward play. I say high risk because, again, I think there's still more pullback to go, and the channels are very wide, so there's going to be a lot of price action to the downside. And I say medium reward because I don't think there's too much more upside to go. May have already topped out. So not worth it to go long, in my opinion, at the current price 720. But I think if you were able to enter at 550 and lower, it would then be a medium risk, high reward play. And I think that's definitely worth a shot. So yeah, I don't like the entry of 720. I would support going long at 550 and lower. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Yeah, it looks like the squeeze is over, and it's going to pull back a bit more before it starts to recover and go to the upside again. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty decent play. Looks like a pretty good play. I said yesterday to go short at 9, to go short above 9, and that would have been an excellent entry. Here at 720, you did miss a lot of downside today, and the gap did already fill, but there still appears to be a decent amount of downside left. 720 isn't an excellent entry, but it's an above average entry on the short side. And like I said, this should pull back down to at least 550 to form the handle. And from the current price, that would be about a 25% downside. So still a lot of downside to go here. So yeah, I can support going short at 720 and higher. And I would cover anywhere at 550 and lower. And you should be able to make 25% on the downside here relatively easily. Just make sure you cover once you hit your exit. Once you hit your exit goal, your exit price. Because this is a meme stock, And just because it's done squeezing right now doesn't mean it can't go squeezing again. So get in, get your money, get out. So yeah, pretty straightforward, guys. Still a hot stock, still a retail favorite. But it appears like the short squeeze is coming to an end. Momentum cooling off very significantly. Chart still looks pretty bullish, but personally, I think it's going to pull back. But personally, I think there's a lot more healthy pullback to go before this reverses again. So if you want to go long, I don't think 720 is a good entry. I would hold off to at least 550 and lower. I think that'd be pretty good, a pretty good entry. And a good amount of upside potential if you can enter at 550 and lower. Forgot to mention. 80%. If you can enter at 550, this should eventually run back up to $10 to complete the handle, and possibly even higher. And from 550 up to $10, that would be around an 80% gain. So yeah, a lot of upside potential. At least 80% upside potential here. If you can enter at 550 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. I said to go short yesterday. So you did miss a good amount of downside already. But here at 720, still a pretty good entry on the short side. And again, this should pull back down to 550 to form the handle. So there is still a good amount of downside to go. You should be able to make 25% relatively easily here, possibly even more. So I'd support going short at 720, and I would cover at 550 and lower. So yeah, the squeeze is coming to an end, unfortunately, but there's still an opportunity to make money on both sides. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is REV Revlon. And now it's actually down to 7:15 in the aftermarket, so may not actually run tomorrow. We'll see though. All right, guys. So that was Revlon. That was the TA for today. So didn't take too long. It's 5:08 now. So yep, that's all the TA for today. And all we got left is the Yolos. Oh, we got a lot of comments here. I didn't even see. My bad, guys. Let's catch up on some comments. You heard Netflix breaking news layoff today? Yeah, they're going to lay off like 300 employees, right? Yeah, it kind of sucks, but they got to do what they got to do. What's up, Ken? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. Wait till the $6 range to re-enter for Revlon. Yeah, that's what I think too. 550. All right, got you low roller, got your links. Rev will drop through the end of the week. It will get a pop next week. Yeah, that's what I think. Probably gonna pull back a little bit more and then run to the upside again, eventually. I cannot believe Netflix is gonna run ads. Yeah, it's pretty different, but that's what's working in this industry now, and they got to adjust. Got to adapt or get deleted, if you know what I mean. All right, so yeah, that's all the TA for today, guys. Good stuff. Let's get to the Yolos. Let me peep Mullen real quick. Yeah, nothing that crazy. All right, let's get to the Yolos, guys. Give me 1 second here. Pull it up. This really shouldn't take too long. I don't have too many. I guess we can wing it. I only have 4 here because there weren't too many good ones, and Reddit was acting up before. So I'll pull these up. I'll pull up low rollers. And then I'll guess we'll just see if there's any good ones at the end here. Alright, let me check YouTube. We got 7 viewers, 10 likes. So I appreciate everyone who's still here. Still a lot of people here. Where is it?
I appreciate you.
Lagging a little bit because I'm loading stuff up. But yeah, I appreciate everyone who's still here. And please smash that like button. Okay. Alright, we'll get this another second because it's still loading up here. There was a good amount of people in today's show. Just not so many likes. So if you guys can do me a favor, please smash the like button. Alright, still loading. I think we'll get started anyway. Alright, so today, guys, this should be pretty fun. Nothing too serious. I have 4 Yolos myself. 3 memes, 1 actual YOLO. And then it looks like Low Roller has a few YOLOs for us himself. So in total, we got 8 YOLOs and 1 article. So this should be fun. Let's do it, guys. So this first one is by Havershad2. Inflation is rising real quick. So here we got a meme. This is Jay Powell today, testifying in front of Congress. No one cares, though, because this girl right here stole the show. So here's Chair Powell. At first you had my curiosity, but now you have my attention. So you see, you peep this girl here in the corner, on the right. Looking pretty good with that red dress on. I don't know. No idea who she is, but everyone wants to know now. Nice. I approve. I approve. I have any, I guess I give it the winning. I don't really have an appropriate meme.
Winning.
Yeah, calls on her. Calls on her all day. So, yeah. Jay Powell testifying, no one cares. Who's this girl? Can I get her OnlyFans? No, I'm totally kidding. Don't buy OnlyFans, guys. Yeah, everyone is saying, who is she? No one knows who she is. But, very attractive woman here. Thank you, Zach. Yes, please slap the like button, guys. Alright, I'll do this one first. This one's by No Distance 4905. Ready Kramer 1. That's a pun for Ready Player 1. So, Zuckerberg metaverse will be a big thing over the next decade. Zuckerberg says the metaverse will be a big thing over the next decade. So, yeah, Jim Cramer didn't say this. Zuckerberg said it, but Jim Cramer is playing around with the Oculus here. Or it's not the Oculus anymore, it's the Meta Quest, right? So, I don't think this is necessarily an inverse Kramer thing. But if it's featured on a show, maybe that is bearish. So we'll see what happens with Meta. But yeah, he's still betting big on this thing, the metaverse. I thought it failed, or they had to scrap the project, but Facebook is still pretty confident in the metaverse. So we'll see what happens. So Jim Crimmer didn't say buy it, but he did test it out on his show here. By Gru 2137. True. A stock market crash is worse than divorce. You lose half your money and your wife is still around. Very true, very true. So yeah, at least with the divorce, you don't got to deal with her anymore. Her nagging and whatever. Stock market crash, you got to hear her nagging about how you lost all the money. So true stuff here. All right, by Sea Souls 520. Guess who bought puts at the bottom like a true artard. All right. So we got Amazon FDs here. $103 put, 103 strike, 57 puts. This was a 27K YOLO, and right now he's down 13K, down 49%. And this expires July 15th. All right, let's check out Amazon. Yeah, he literally bought at the bottom. Bought puts at the bottom. So still got 3 weeks to go. So this still can work out. But yeah, I don't know what he was thinking here. This looked so bullish. And he literally bought the bottom. Should have bought calls. I don't know why I bought puts. What's Delta? July 15th. 103. Put 22%. All right, so 22% chance this works, which is, pretty good. 1 in 4, a little less than that. At this point, this is pretty rough. So, yeah, guys, don't get yourself in a position like this in the first place. Don't buy super FDs with bad strikes and bad expirations. And at this point, honestly, I think you should cut. I don't know. It's hard to say because there's a chance it works, but there's a chance it works, but probably not. 13K, still a lot of value here. Logically, the best thing to do is to cut. We'll see, though. So, yeah, bad play. Tough position here. I think you should cut, but, yeah, let us know what happens. So, Sea Souls 520, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. Not over yet, but not looking good. I think you should cut, but whatever happens, please post updates. And good luck to you. Jay Powell be slapping that ass all day. Good one. I got you, little roller. 2 more. Did you find out anything about that YouTuber Chris Norland? No, I didn't. I didn't watch him yet. But yeah, I will check that out. But no, I didn't. I didn't see who he is. But like I said yesterday, I don't really like content where people are just beefing with other people. That's like toxic content to me. All right, what is this? I was right, but I was wrong. Sucks being stupid enough to not buy further out by even a week. Chewy. All right, so this is what happens when you play options. So he's down 25K here. And they expired worthless because he bought too early. So he is a bunch of FDs down here. But, yeah. So you can be right and still be wrong. That's the thing about options, guys. So you got to be careful. So, I think it's over. I don't know. Though he still has a couple more. But he's down 25K so far. And doesn't have too much money left. So I think he pretty much lost most of it. So yeah. Good loss coin here. Down 25k. So be careful with your options, guys. Especially the FDs. I can't even imagine losing that much. What, 25k? That's rookie numbers. For this sub? That's pretty bad, but in this sub, you know, we've seen six-figure, seven-figure losses, so yeah, it does hurt a lot, but rookie numbers on this sub. What up, Punk Skater? What's up to everyone who came in later during the show?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Next bear market rally today. I think one more leg to the downside tomorrow or next week, in my opinion. Nice bear market rally today. Yeah, I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced at all. But, you know, I'll take the small wins where we can. So, yes. Please, J. Powell, pump the market soon. That's a year of tuition for me. Yeah, ouch. What do you think of it like that? But you can ask Biden to forgive you. He's trying to do that right now. Isn't it crazy? The guy wants to do loan forgiveness, and it's not enough. Like, people are crazy. You gotta take what you can get. 25k is 1 year's salary. Where? In Middle America, not in New York. That's like half a year's salary. That's rookie numbers. You gotta bump up those numbers. If you know, they know. If you know, then you know. Yeah. Yeah, this sub is crazy. So 25k is a lot of money, but we've seen a lot worse. But to any normal person, that should hurt a lot. 350, 360 and SPY I buy. Yeah, I think 360 is a good time to buy. Hope not 350, but we almost got down to 360. That'd be like official recession territory. All right, next one. And please smash the like button, guys. Next one. Silly loser. First time's free, right? Plot twist. SPY poops hard tomorrow. So what was this? So get a $900 YOLO here. 369 put. June 24th. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Actually, it might. We're at 380 now. I guess it is possible. Unlikely, though. I just cashed this one out. Probably not going to work. I slipped in a pool of Haterade and made about 3,800 today. Bed Bath & Beyond is up AF for some reason. Timing's been horrendous, holding 60 of the 347, 374 puts overnight. So what do you make money on? On Bed Bath & Beyond, on shares of anything. Imagine he bought Leaps instead of shares. This would have went up so much more. He does have Leaps here. $15 and $60. Well, yeah, guys printing a lot on Bed Bath & Beyond. High risk, high reward meme stocks. I used to like that stock a lot. If it's good enough to screenshot, and that's all she wrote, folks, what's going on here? UVXY expires tomorrow. Super FD. $17 call. So it's in the money. It's in the money. No, it's not in the money. It's not in the money. And it expires tomorrow. Yeah, this is most definitely a sell. This is a sell first thing tomorrow morning. Or if not, if you didn't already do it. The obvious sell. This is not going to work. Cash out before it goes to zero. Got really lucky here. Super FD, don't do this, guys. Got to sell this before it goes to zero. All right, what's this? Laundry detergent strikes again. $9. What, did it go up? Or did it shrink? Just shrinkflation. I think it went down. Price went up, and the loads went down. Oh, I see. It says 165, but it's really 150. So they took out 15 fluid ounces. Skipping. Zach says we just saw his neighbor on J Powell's meme. If it's good enough to screenshot, then it's good enough to sell. Absolutely, absolutely. Did you see Punk Skater? Did you see the? I don't know if you were here. Let's pull it up again. And then yeah, here we got Netflix axes another 300 staff taking total layoffs to more than 450. That's not even that much. Tesla's laying off a lot of people. Everyone's laying off right now. Tough times. But yeah, this is not breaking news. Or maybe it is. But to be expected. And they're going to do ads now. Alright, here's the meme. Punk Skater. Is this your neighbor here? Lady in the red dress? Could be. I don't know. But she looked good. Everyone wants to know who this girl is. I want to know. She got Instagram? Nice. Anyway, guys. So yeah, that is the show for today. No, I didn't see it. Here it is. Who's this chick right here? Calls on her. Very bullish. I don't know if you should really be, going to Congress like that, though, looking like that. It's not trashy, but it's gonna be a lot of congressmen looking. Guarantee you that. A lot of dirty old men. That false advertisement laundry detergent, yeah, they're skimping. She's probably gonna open an OnlyFans. Hard times require tough decisions. Legit, after this photo, she could probably live off OnlyFans if she wanted. Same thing with there was Ice Bay. Remember her? Ice Bay at the border. There was some immigration officer, and she became Ice Bay. And I think she opened her own OnlyFans too. But yeah, if it were that easy. Honestly, I don't know. If I had the ability, I mean, I guess I do have the ability to open OnlyFans. I ain't getting no donations though. But I don't know if I'd do it. I don't know. I think I would have too much pride for that. But I've never been in the situation, so who knows? But don't pay for it, guys. We talk about this all the time. Don't pay for it. Never, ever, ever. If you can get it leaked, cool. Don't pay for it. It's all the same. Now my neighbor is blonde, looks like Bella Rome. Yeah, I remember you saying that. I do have a weak thing for weak spot for blonde ladies, but I don't discriminate. She looks a little like Scarlett Johansson. Kind of gives me that Black Widow vibe. I don't know. Pixar, it didn't happen. Yeah, I do want to see this neighbor of yours. What she actually looked like. Kinda looks like. That's not her though. All right, let's see what. Let's take a peek. But yeah, guys, that's all. That's the show for today. We're just chilling now. So yeah, 1 hour and a half. Good stuff. Wow. Okay. Pretty good. Nice. Kind of got this MILF look going on. I know this is not her exactly, but seems like an older lady. Still fire though. Still fire. But, all right, guys. Yeah, that is the show for today. Let's take a peek. Yeah, she looked good. But yeah, that's the show for today, guys. So, good stuff. Green Day today. Congrats on attendees, everyone. Much needed. Probably gonna give them right back coming up here. But that's all I got for today, guys. So good stuff. Short show, easy show. Couple articles, one TA, few YOLOs. Nothing too serious. Hope you guys enjoyed. And anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything, put it in the chat. We'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. Yeah, my neighbor is like 32. I'm 28. You're pretty young, dude. Like my age. Well, a little older than me. 32. I don't think I've ever been with anyone older than me. No, actually I have. But not, I don't think 4 years. I don't know. But, yeah, I've been with one MILF, and it was quite the experience. I don't want to go too much into it. But if you guys never had a MILF, try it out. Swing trade, though, not long-term hold. Swing trade. Buy high, sell low. Or buy low, sell high, I mean. Getting into the stupid ape mentality. Buy low, sell high. On a more serious note, is SPY forming an inverse head and shoulders? Let's check it out. I don't know if I could say MILF. Probably get flagged by YouTube, but whatever. MILF's got experience in the game, bro. Yes. And they got a lot of pent-up energy. I'm trying to be PG-13 here. They got a lot of pent-up energy. Because got to take care of the kids all day. Got to get it out. 32, given that you know her age, I'm betting $100 he did smash already. that you smashed already. Oh, he could just look her up on Facebook or something. I don't know if he was lying or not. But he did say he got a little sausage favors, if you know what I mean. Didn't know how to put that in a nice way. All right, let's see here. Inverse head and shoulders. So kind of. Looks more like a cup and handle to me at the moment. But yeah, I can see head and shoulders developing here. Inverse head and shoulders. Either way, cup and handle or inverse head and shoulders. It's looking bullish at the moment. So this should run back up to like 420 to complete the cup / head and shoulders. And then we'll see what happens from there. But yeah, it does look bullish at the moment. Yeah, Puck Skater says not yet. He's consolidating. Dang, I'm OG here. You're OG here. Well, yeah, we got some real OGs here. But yeah, you definitely are considered an OG, Wilson. Everyone here is really. But Zach is like the real OG. Zach and Low Roller are the real OGs. Since I was at like 100 subs. But yeah, shout out to everyone. Shout out to the whole community. Alright, guys. So, anything else? So, yeah, short show today. Kind of glad, because past few shows has been like 2 hours plus. So, easy stuff today. I'll work on the video. Actually, I also have to make the yesterday's video on Redbox. I didn't get to that, so I'll do this video in Redbox tonight. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow we finish strong. Although, you know, Friday usually is red, but fingers crossed. Hopefully green day. Indicator showing bullish divergence on the neighbor. Yeah, load up on those calls. Zach was here since 13 subs. Was it really that early? I know you were like, I remember way back, Zach was like the only one in the live show. It was just him and me. That was it. It was just me at first, and then it was me and Zach, and then Low Roller came along. I didn't know it was that early, but I know it's really early. So yeah, shout out to you, Zach, and shout out to the whole community. We're growing pretty fast here every single day. Almost at a major milestone. I think we're at like 930 now, 929, so 70 to go until 1,000, major milestone. So, you know, it's been real. It's been quite a journey. Couldn't do without you guys, so much appreciated. Hit and run, though. Yeah, for sure. Swing trade for sure. Not long-term hold, like I said earlier. Gotta hit the sell button. You know, don't let it expire worthless. In the beginning, there was only Oxygen. No, there was MMAT. There was Clover. There was a few stocks. Yeah, those were good times. Oxygen and MMAT. And Wish, too. I remember that one. And Machete was pretty early, too. Came out pretty early. What do you think Mullen do tomorrow? More red or back to green? I'm going to say green. Just because the what do you call it? The Russell rebalance is going to happen. So, more likely than not, it's going to be green. Aftermarket and pre-market on Monday. So, I'm going to go with green. And then Marvin came, and then Joe, and then me. Yeah. Yep. All you guys are OGs. Been here, you know, since the early hundreds. So, yeah. Much appreciated once again for all the continued support. And yeah, you know, we're really growing something here. I never would have thought. I like your playlist on how to options. I appreciate that, Beelzebub. Yeah, it is useful. And you guys said you do like that stuff. Only thing is, it doesn't really get too many views. I'm thinking about taking it down just to add it to my Patreon, because I teach more like educational stuff on Patreon. So for now, it's still free. I got a lot more educational stuff on Patreon, though, if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm glad you like the content. You know, I always want to educate you guys. We teach each other a lot here. I always learn from you guys as well. So yeah, watch them all, because I might take it down in the near future. Might put it on Patreon. And yeah, you guys did want more of that stuff. That's why I was making it in the beginning, but then, like I said, not so many views, so I kind of stopped. But yeah, we'll see what happens with the educational content going forward. I like making it, just no one watches it. So it's like a lot of effort and nothing really to show for it. Short squeezes left and right. Good times, good times. Yeah, back then, it was like GME and then Meme Mania around 2, and it's been a while since we, you know, the memes are going crazy again, but yeah, we've been through some pretty historic stuff in the stock market. What's up, Jalen? What's up, dude? We're done with the show. We're just chilling out, but glad you can make it. Appreciate you, dude. All kinds of 100+ days. Oh yeah, for sure. Back when the money printer was on. Now it's the interest rates we got. Back then, when Tesla went up $20 every day, yeah, when Tesla actually came back, not all the way back, but I remember Tesla not reverse split, it split to like 500, 500 or 600, and now it's right back down there. So, yep, good times, good times. Did you see that hedge fund short report in AMC? No, I did not. Is it a new one? Clowning us for not loading the boats on it, I guess. Yeah, clowning us for a lot of things, especially AMC. I'm not too upset about Tesla, but yeah, AMC I did get wrong. AMC was one of like the only stocks that I had a bad take on. But then it came back to where it was eventually anyway, so it's not anywhere close to GME. How long is this show? How long has this show been on? Over a year. Started in late March of last year, so about 14 months now, I think. 14, 15 months. Yep. And time flies. So yeah, still growing every day. Been on for a while now. It said I dare all traders to buy AMC. Oh, I did. I did see that. I think I saw something on Wall Street Bets. Yeah, they were like taunting the apes. And they're probably right. You know, in this market, the apes don't have enough ammo to take down a hedge fund. Before they did. Now it's different. So I did see that. Yes. The plan was to wait for 9 to hop in. Go. Yeah, I remember that. It was at 12, and I was like, I'm gonna wait to 9. I looked at the chart. I'm gonna wait to 9, and then it just blew up from there. But oh well, that is what it is. I wasn't gonna put any serious money in it anyway. That was just for the lulz. Is that the short report, Punk Skater? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I saw it already. Yeah, they were like taunting and daring the apes to buy in so they can lose their money. Pretty arrogant thing to do. All right, guys. So it went like 12, 15, 19. The moon, yeah, all the way to 70. I remember that. All right, guys, that is the show for today. So yeah, good stuff. Short show, simple show. Appreciate everyone for being here. Thanks to all the regulars, all the new people. And yep, that was quite easy today. 69 degrees, lol. I just saw that. Sorry. But yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Anything else? Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put in the chat. Otherwise, we out of here. Alright, going once. Please smash the like button, guys. Going once. Going twice. Alright, I think that's it. Let's get out of here, guys. So appreciate everyone. See you tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Any of the originals still here? What do you mean the original? Original what? The OGs? The community members? Yes. It's Zach, Punk Skater, Low Roller, Joe. A lot of people. There's Machete. Yeah, a lot of you guys are OGs. Day ones. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.